on, Nutty, open it. Open it.
Egg sandwich or the omelette. Like quite cute and I'm assuming it's that. Oh no, no. It's good in a row.
Check grab it.
Sure.
What are those water?
Edgware Road. The next station is.
It's just like 50-year-old men going through. You are like a 50-year-old man at heart.
Yeah. They like Arsenal. I don't think Arsenal.
It's would he? Jump in front of the camera for you guys quickly, just to show you all the recent items that I've picked up. I've been on a little bit of a spending spree recently. I have found some delightful pieces, so yeah, we'll just go through what I picked up and where I picked it up from. Because a lot of them have been in sales and stuff like that, it's definitely not summer wear. Like, there's a couple of knits, there's 2 jackets. You guys probably know how this British summer is. It's terrible. You never know how hot or how cold it's going to be. So half this stuff I have been wearing during our supposed peak summer. I will just show you quickly just a couple of pieces that I've been gifted, which is these glasses from Peter and May. So these literally arrived in the post today. Beautiful pair of sunglasses from a brand called Peter and May. If I'll be able to show you. They are really, really well made glasses, and I actually really like the blue tint. And then we also have this hoodie that I've got on from Joseph Alter. I believe that's how you say it, Joseph Alter. And it's just got this really cool looking text on the back. I really love that sort of scribbled writing. I just think it looks like a child wrote it, kind of, but it just looks so cool. But anyway, let's actually just move on to the items that I picked up. So the first two items are going to be from Arletty. The way that these guys work is they basically have sample sales, and it is as basic as it sounds, really, is the name. They have all these samples from brands and they sell them and put them in sale. So there's big reductions, and things obviously cost a lot less than they would full price. So the first item that I picked up was this long sleeved white t-shirt from Jil Sander. It's nothing special, it's just a plain white t-shirt. So the next item I picked up from Arletty was this blue knitted jumper from Marnie. You may have seen it on my Instagram. It's summer, don't really know why I bought more knitwear, but the detailing on this is just delightful. It's got this like fluffy text on the front, and I just think it looks so good. Fits really well again. Nothing on the back, but yeah, really, really happy with this one. The next couple of items I picked up from Liberty. First up, we have this Ami grey knit. If you guys have followed me for a little bit over on Instagram, you would have seen that I have a really, I don't know what blue it is, but a really blue Ami turtleneck or roll neck jumper, which I am obsessed with, just purely because the quality is absolutely amazing. And this is just exactly the same. Grey is not normally my colour. I always think that it kind of washes me out a little bit, but I really just love this one. The little stitching detail on the outside is just so good. Just adds a really nice little detail. Next up, we have this black Acne Studios blazer. It was actually in the women's section. There's not really much to say about this one. It's just a really nice fitting blazer. Little Acne Studios detail on the inside. Then the last piece from the Liberty sale was this Story MFG jacket. There was a pair of trousers that matched it, that as a pair looked so good, but they were literally like 3/4 lengths on me. They were so short, really don't know why. Didn't pick those up in the end for obvious reasons. And last but not least, we have this package from Selfridges. But we have picked up a Loewe jumper. Cool, I kind of said to myself I wasn't going to spend any more money. I saw this, I tried it on, and I just went, oh no, this is just perfect. I'm going to have to buy it. The price actually wasn't on it, which was scary as well. So it was in the sale section, but it didn't have a price. But I was like, oh shit, what is this going to cost me? Like this could be ridiculous. It turned out to be less than I thought it was going to be, but still a ridiculous price. I'm not even going to say because it just sounds stupid saying that I've spent this much on jumper. But yeah, it is just absolutely amazing. I absolutely love it, and I kind of can't wait for it to get a little colder so I can actually wear it properly. Because it is a little bit too warm to wear at the moment, so it's kind of just been bought to just sit in the cupboard for a little bit. But yeah, has this bobbly texture all over it. Yeah, little V-neck and super long sleeves. It's actually a medium, which is quite concerning to think how big the large and extra larges would be. So that is everything that I have picked up recently. Please let me know which of all of those is your favourite piece and which one you'd actually wear, because there's obviously pieces that you really like on other people and pieces that the dog has just laid down at my feet, so I've got to not stand on her. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one.